Hello mga kaalamat, good day to everyone. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. So, welcome back here in my YouTube channel, Alamat ni Mayor. So, now I have a present for everyone. Now we make a sugar donut for our coffee time to let our colleagues enjoy their coffee break. So I will going to show you our sugar donut. So this is it mga kalamat, our sugar donut for today. So this is our sugar donut for today for our coffee time. This is a present good vibes to my colleagues and to everybody. So this is it mga kalamat, our sugar donut. So you can make this at home for your snack, for your merienda, and you can share it with your loved ones. So kayang-kaya to mga kalamat. You can do it all of this stuff. So that's all for today mga kalamat. Thank you very much. I hope you will going to continue to subscribe my channel. And to those who didn't subscribe it yet, so please subscribe, like, and share. Please click the bell button to subscribe, and so that you will be updated on our next videos. So that's all for today. Thank you very much, and God bless.